Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the exciting world of IPR. So today, as we have completed up to Form 4, that means in the first lecture we have established a relationship between the sections, rules, and the forms, and we have taken 10 forms there. Okay, and in the subsequent lectures, we have tried to establish the that means we have tried to go into the detail of the correlated sections rules along with the forms. Okay, and in this way we have completed up to form 4. Okay, so now today is turn for form 5. Okay, so as we know that form 5 is related to section 10 and rule 13, and a this needs an explanation. Okay, because why I am saying like this, because we know that form 2 is also related to section 10 and rule 13 of the Patents Act 1970 and the Patents Rules 2003. Then what is the difference here? That I will try to find it out here. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, this one is the old slide. Just to refresh your memory, here form 5 is declaration as to inventorship. Okay, and section 10, that is contents of specifications, and rule 13, that is specifications. But friends, please observe here, this is section 10 subsection 6, and here rule 13 subrule 6. Fine. So here only we can find the difference between uh, the slide where we established a relationship between form 2 section 10 and rule 13, and this one where we are trying to establish the relationship between form 5 section 10 and rule 13. Okay, so let us proceed. Now friends, please look at this picture. This one shows the brain of a human being. Okay, and we know that brain of a human being is the mind of generating innumerable ideas. Okay, so we can symbolize here, this one is the brain of an inventor. Okay, and as we know that form 5 has the title declaration as to inventorship. Okay, so to symbolize the inventor, I have just kept this picture. Okay, so declaration as to inventorship. Let us proceed. Now, so the titles, we know section 10 has the title contents of specifications. Okay, and form 5 has the title declaration as to inventorship, and rule 13 has the title specifications. Fine. Okay, next, now the key point, that means we will do a keen observation here. Fine, as in the linkage slide we have seen that section 10 subsection 6, rule 13 subrule 6 and form 5 are related. That's why we will observe what is the similarity between the section, the particular subsection of section 10 and the particular subrule of rule 13. Okay, so let us see. A declaration as to the inventorship of the invention shall, in such cases as may be prescribed, be furnished in the prescribed form with the complete specification, or within such period as may be prescribed after the filing of that specification. Fine. And here rule 13 subrule 6 says, except in the case of an application other than a convention application or an application filed under the Patent Cooperation Treaty designating India, which is accompanied by a complete specification. A declaration as to the inventorship of the invention shall be filed in Form 5 with the complete specification or at any time before the expiration of 1 month from the date of filing of the complete specification, as the controller may allow on an application made in Form 4. The explanation is, for the purposes of this rule, the date of filing, DOF is the date of filing of the complete specification with respect to an application corresponding to an international application in which India is designated shall be reckoned from the actual date on which the corresponding application is filed in India. Okay, so actually these two things don't need any explanation because I have already explained section 10 and rule 13 in detail. Okay, here I have kept both these things at one place just to refresh our memory and to see the similarity. That's all. Okay, friends. So the references are the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rule 2021 and the Patents Act 1970 as amended by Amendment Act 2005. So friends, do you like it? Please share your views. Please share your compliments, comments and queries in my comment box. Thank you so much for listening to me and thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe, stay blessed. God bless you. Jai Hind.